The Raiz Round UPS feature is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools for building wealth automatically. It works by rounding up your everyday transactions to the nearest whole dollar and investing the spare change into your Raiz portfolio. This means that every time you make a purchase, whether it's coffee, groceries, or fuel, Raiz automatically collects the difference between what you spent and the next dollar, then invests that amount for you. For example, if you buy a drink for $4.60, Raiz rounds it up to $5 and invests the remaining 40 cents. These tiny contributions add up over time, turning your daily spending habits into a consistent investment strategy without you even noticing. You can also choose to link multiple accounts or cards to maximize your roundups, helping your balance grow faster. One of the best parts of the Round UPS feature is the flexibility. You can set multipliers to boost your savings, meaning you can double or triple the rounded up amount. If your roundup for a purchase is 50 cents and you select a 2 times multiplier, Raiz invests a full dollar instead. This small adjustment can accelerate your investment growth significantly over months and years. Another advantage is automation. There's no need to manually transfer funds or remember to invest. Raiz does it for you. You can monitor progress in the app, pause roundups at any time, and even adjust your portfolio based on your risk tolerance. Whether you prefer conservative, balanced, or aggressive portfolios, every cent invested works toward your long-term goals. In essence, the Raiz Round UPS feature makes micro-investing effortless. It turns spare change into genuine investment momentum and helps you build wealth passively. By using it consistently, you transform everyday spending into a disciplined investment habit, an easy, hands-off way to grow your financial future.